The very best carpet, a wool carpet, quality carpet, will have a bit of give in it. And often you need to go back a couple of months later and re-stretch it and trim it a wee bit and kick it in. We had a job just last week where the lady had the carpet fitted, not by us. It was done reasonably well about 18 months ago, and we had a wee spell of hot weather. And what happened was with the hot weather, it expanded. So she was getting these lumps and there was just slight ripples. As I say, it wasn't a lot, but she paid an awful lot of money. It was very, very expensive stuff. So you can understand she was quite fussy about it. So really to sort that, what you need to do is move all the furniture, re-kick it, stretch it, trim it down a wee bit. But one of the tricks that we used, just as a temporary fix, is there was a wee bit that was just like that, so we got some lukewarm water and a brush and did that and dabbed it all the way down. And water will never harm a carpet as long as there's no dirt in it. And then it's just like a wool jumper. When that dries, it will bring it in a wee bit and just shrink slightly, and that